Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the investigators' claims against Victor Majola, who is accused of orchestrating the murder of DJ Waras, known as Mr. Stokes. Yes, that one. We are going to break down, do a coverage on that. DJ Waras, everything is framed by as allegations by investigators, not proven at trial yet. So let's look into all of that. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end, and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, this is what is happening. Investigators from SAPS allege that Victor Majola was not randomly implicated, but identified through a combination of intelligence, digital material, and circumstantial links following the murder of Waras Warwick Stock. Number one, alleged prior knowledge and planning is what caused them to arrest him. Police allege the murder was premeditated, not spontaneous. Their position is that planning occurred before the shooting, which is why the charge is treated as a Schedule 6 offense. This is a prosecution allegation. Intent must still be proven in trial, okay? Secondly, digital and communication links. Investigators have told the court that Majola's phone data allegedly places him within the investigative narrative. The victim's details were allegedly found on a suspect-linked device. Communication patterns allegedly support coordination with others. At bail stage, the content and full forensic interpretation of this data has not tested. Number three, CCTV or movement evidence contested. The state claims that CCTV footage exists, which allegedly tracks movement relevant to the crime. Some footage places suspects in proximity to the crime scene or planning locations. However, certain CCTV material has been restricted or excluded during bail proceedings. This means the court has not yet ruled on its reliability or final admissibility. Number four, association with co-accused. Investigators allege that acted in concert with others, was not acting alone, forms part of a broader conspiracy rather than being a peripheral figure. This is central to the state's argument against bail. Number five, risk factors raised by the state. In opposing bail, investigators claim Majola may interfere with witnesses, has the means or influence to obstruct justice, poses a flight or interference risk. These claims are used only to argue bail, not to prove guilt. What the court has not decided is as follows. It is crucial to be clear. The court has not ruled that Majola planned the murder. The digital evidence is actually places him at the scene. The state's case is proven. That is not what we are on here about. The court is currently deciding bail, not guilt. Okay, that's where we are standing right now. So investigators in the DJ Waras murder case allege that Majola was involved in premeditated killing of DJ Waras. According to the state, this was not a random act. Police claimed there was planning, coordination, communication before the shooting. So only time will tell, Kukuti, was this man part of this? Was this man involved in all of this? And once again, we have learned from the Senzo Mewa case to hear all sides of the coin, to see all sides of the coin, because we've seen things. When police are involved and when police are under pressure, we've seen what they do. We've seen the things. They are under pressure because the public wants to know what happened. And there is footage. Johannesburg CBD has cameras everywhere. So what do they mean that they can't arrest the shooters? We're not saying they are wrong for arresting this man for now until we know what is happening. We are waiting. And the question that is lingering, why have it been released, the entire footage from all the surrounding areas of that building? Why is it not yet released? What's going on? Kuningi, guys, it's a lot of things that are happening at once. So investigators allege Victor Majola was part of the premeditated, coordinated plan in the DJ Waras murder. These claims are being argued in bail proceedings and remain unproven. As I said in other videos already, courts decide facts, not investigators, not social media. So time will tell what's going to happen when it comes to this, because state must still prove. State must still prove a lot of things. Their claims, they still need to prove them. But today, we are going to find out whether Mr. Majola is going to get bail or not. I have a feeling that he's not going to get it. I have a feeling that he's not going to get bail. I don't see him getting bail. In these high-profile cases, they don't give you bail. They don't. So we will see ukuthi kuzayenzeka ntoni and how is the trial going to, what the trial is going to show us in South Africa. Is it going to redeem the police or it's going to sink them furthermore? Because wow, Sanalam, we've seen a lot of things when it comes to police. We've seen a lot of things when it comes to police. It's not even funny. It's not even funny, Sanal. Anyway, guys, I want us to have a discussion. Do you think we should just trust the police with this process as it is, or we should wait for the trial? What are your thoughts? Do you think that we should just listen to what the IO, yes, the IO. Do you think that we should just take what the IO says, or we should wait for the trial? And I'm sure, I pray that the trial is going to be live. Let me drink water quickly. I pray that the trial is going to be live, guys, also for this case. I pray that cases now are going to be live, especially high-profile cases. I pray that they are going to be live. We cannot, as South Africans, be left behind and not be shown things that are happening in our very own country. We want to see everything. We want to see everything. We want to be part of everything. We don't want to be left behind. We want all the details, Sanalam. We are very much interested. We are very much interested. And I think today is going to be, it has already started, ne? I think they have started already. And I'm going to go watch, and then I'm going to bring you the juice, the tea. What happened? Did he get bail? Did she not get bail? I'm going to bring all of that for you. I don't know what's going to happen. What are your thoughts? Do you think this man deserves bail because of the history of things that we have seen? Do you think this man should get the bail? Do you think this man can actually, I don't know, man. Do you think he's innocent? I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.